Hold on, wait. Who has the hiccups? You?
Me.
Okay. We hold up, breath on 3.
Ready?
For as long as you can. 2. I'm counting, asshole. Three.
Why? We're not playing a game.
Oh, damn it. Alright. 1, 2. Chad.
That wasn't 3, that was 3. Ready? Sylvia, send this to Ellie. She's gonna love it. Ready? 1. Oh, listen out.
Oh, we're sick. Mark is tired.
Mark's strong. You guys are all lightweights. I'm still sober.
Yeah,
I'm with you.
Twisted. I'm twisted.
You haven't drank as much as it yet. What is it?
It's so much.
Thank you, Jesus. On the count of 3.
Right? Because I'd have to drink with you.
1, 2. Wait. Let's again. 1, 2.
That's Mark. Is that?
Yo, for real. I want to get this game done.
Okay.
Yo.
Shoot. Oh, okay. This is real. Look at me focus.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
I'll do the countdown.
Give the countdown.
Oh.
Sylvia.
1.
1, 2, 3.
Yeah, you guys should look at each other.
Sorry. You look at Mark, I'll look at Sylvia, okay? On 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. You put it off.
Yo.
Alright,
He's
1,
done.
2, 3. I'm drooling.
Oh, God.
We're gonna finish this. I got so much drool on me.
Yeah, come on.
Alright, ready?
Sylvia, come on.
1.
Wait, hold on.
Mark is done. No, I'm
Okay,
taking a nap.
2, 3.
Why can't we do this?
Yo, let's switch seats or something.
I think you guys-
really want to finish
Oh.
this game.
Can you just not look at each other?
We're not
Just
look at that corner, Michael. You look at that corner.
Don't look at me, because I'm making luck.
1. Hold on, wait. Why are we doing this again?
Because you have the hiccups.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, shit.
1, 2, 3.